So hello guys, welcome back to our channel, where we talk about games, and their technology and sometimes tech also. Hope you all have viewed our first video. If you do not watch, please go and see now after watching this video. So our today's topic is my dream desktop. So we have divided this topic in two parts: outer's component and inner's component. So first we talk about outer component, which includes monitor, keyboard, mouse, cabinet. So first we talk about mouse. In this desktop we have used Logitech G903 as mouse, which gives you beast performance and many features also, such as mousepad charge, extra button, etc. An IT cost only Rs 12,200. And yeah, before going further I will tell you that please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon, hit the like button, and share this video as much as possible. So our next component is keyboard, in which we have used the Corsair K95 Platinum keyboard. And surely all components in this video are outstanding. Well, this keyboard contains hand soft cover, softest key, durable, RGB multicolor light, which changes automatically, and yes, some extra function key. An IT cost only Rs 18,500. Our next component is cabinet, in which we have used the Antec DF500 RGB mid-tower cabinet, in which we get a large space, 3 RGB fans on front, tempered glass, etc. An IT cost 4,700. So let's talk about monitor. In this beautiful setup we have used two beautiful ultra-wide 49-inch, 1 ms response time, and a HDR Samsung monitor, which cost Rs 3 Lakh 20,000. So we have now done with other components, and on adding all these we get a total sum of 3 Lakh 55,400. So before going further to inner's component, I will tell you that all component links used in this desktop are given below. So go to description and check out. And yeah, if you want anything to buy shown in this video, please buy with the link given in description. And if you want good TikTok video, please go and visit my friend channel named Vivek Bazan. So guys, let's move toward motherboard. So in this setup we have used the Asus Zenith 2 as a motherboard. This motherboard has RGB lighting, 4 graphics slot, Threadripper support, etc. This is just an outstanding motherboard for Threadripper processor. An IT cost only 79,300 only. So after knowing about motherboard, you must know that I am buying Threadripper processor. So if you guessed that what is that processor, please mention IT in comment box. I think you have guessed right, I am using AMD Threadripper 3990X. It is most powerful processor ever. IT comes with 64 cores and 128 threads. Means you can do highest level of video editing, photo editing, professional work, gaming, etc. in this desktop. An IT cost only 4 Lakh 15,000. Now we talk about RAM. As we know that we are making a most powerful and beautiful RGB desktop, so we also need a beautiful RAMs. We have used this RGB RAM. IT1 box contained 8 GB RAM with a power of 3600 GHz speed. And 2 dummy stick also. We have used a total 32 GB RAM, means 2 pack. An IT cost only 30,000. So it's time to move toward GPU or graphic card. In graphic card we have used Gigabyte NVIDIA RTX 2080 Ti. We have used a total 2 graphic card. Because you all know that Threadripper don't give a good gaming performance. It is mad for heavy work. So if we use 2 graphic card, then we get a good gaming and other work graphic experience. This card enables you to run anything on 4K graphic. IT comes with 3 pre-built RGB fan, and enable you best gaming experience with IT 11 GB power. An IT cost Rs 3 Lakh 8,000. In sound card we have used Creative SB1510 Sound Blaster ZXR SBX. I know this is a very large name, but the function also IT comes with a sound controller, and also it is especially mad for gaming. It is Sound Blast sound card, and IT cost 34,000 only. And to store our data we have used 1 SSD and 1 HDD. As we keep our games in Windows and other heavy important work in SSD, so it access very fast. and keep other data in HDD. We have used SSD with 1TB storage capacity. And our SSD is Samsung 860 AVO. And we have used Gigabyte Backup Plus Portable HDD with 5TB OTARG. So, IT total storage is 6 TB which is enough. And they all cost 30,000. And we have used an external CD and DVD writer, which is HP external DVD writer. An IT cost only 1,500 only. And to cool down our powerful CPU, we have used the Corsair Hybrid Series H115i liquid cooler. It is too beautiful. IT fully RGB and comes with 280mm radiator fan, which keep your CPU cool. An IT cost only 18,500. And I think that you all are thinking that which PSU I have used by me to give power to this powerful desktop. Well, we have used Artis VIP 1000 PSU. And this PSU enable us to pass a total 1000 watts power through IT. And it is basically designed for gaming purpose. IT fan is colored, which look pretty cool while running, and this PSU cost a total of 9,000 rupees to me. So after a long discussion we are finally done with inner component. And before telling the total price I will tell you that please follow me on social networking sites because I cannot able to give your answer in comment area. But you can comment because I read all that stuff. And yeah, please, if you want to buy anything from these, please buy from the link given in description. And the total of inner component is 7,34,800. And if we add the outer and inner component, we get a total sum of 10,90,200. And if we round off IT, then IT reaches 11 lakh. So our desktop prices is 11 lakh without including UPS, headphones, web camera, speakers, etc. And yeah, on whatever topic you want a video, please mention IT below and comment. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the bell icon. So, see you guys in our next video. Bye bye.